You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and I'm excited because we have a new Cricut mystery box and we have a new cutie. And I haven't peeked at this cutie, so I'm excited to see. And because it's a new cutie, we're gonna get to it first because they sell out. I'm so excited for this cutie. And like, I might have hives, I might be red because I literally am filming this right as the Super Bowl ended, and holy cow, that was intense. Whew. But anyway, so let's get into this. Let's go ahead and check out the Pink Lemonade Cutie. This is my Super Bowl, people. This is like, when they get excited, they're gonna like, what's in the box? It's ridiculous. Oh, I love this shade of pink. It is the color of Pink Lemonade. This is such a pretty pink. This is such a pretty pink. It's like, let me grab some others to compare. This one here, so you can see that the new Pink Lemonade is different than the other ones. It's more like, I would call it like not coral, like salmon. It's like a salmon pink. So, but it's beautiful. It's like pink lemonade. Pink lemonade. Okay, now let's see what else is in the box. And let's start off with something sparkly or shiny. So we're gonna get the metallic iron-on mosaic. This is the classic samplers pack. So you're gonna get 3 12x12 sheets. One's gonna be the gold, one black, and then one silver of this. So you can go ahead and iron this on, and then you can make shapes in it also. And it looks really cool, actually. I've made disco ball shirts out of it because that silver, if you need anything disco ball, perfect disco ball. Ooh, these are super pretty colors. This is Easter in a package right here. This is the premium vinyl pastel sampler, and it's the permanent glossy. So in here, you're gonna get 6 12x12 sheets, one of each color. And like I said, it's like, let's take them out. Do me a favor. My hubby bet against me on the Super Bowl and my team won. So I said, you owe me a favor. He just got home from work. I had to watch the Super Bowl myself with my animals. They didn't understand why I was screaming. Okay, so in the pastel sampler, you're gonna get one of the soft pink, one of this green, one yellow, of this shade of like sky blue, and then one of the lilac color. Oh, and there's one more sheet, which is gray. But is this not like, look at these colors. I mean, if there's anything, okay, look at this. I mean, does this not, this just gets you ready for spring. I see that and I'm just like, Easter, spring, flowers, yay. But yeah, so we get all these, which are all 12x12 sheets of that vinyl. This is the Sports Flex iron-on, and this is in raspberry color. So you're gonna get one 12x24 inch roll of this. And this has that flex to it, so it's good for those nylon materials, like nylon materials. I mean, it's good on nylon, but it's good on those workout materials like nylon and spandex and such. And we're getting this Cricut premium vinyl removable mat, the Elegance sampler, and you're gonna get 3 12x24 sheets of this. So the colors you see here, you're gonna get the black, the white, and the red for that. I love that we're getting so many different sheets of different stuff to work with. It's a really awesome box. As I keep digging, I'm like, holy cow. And we're getting the Cricut, the Martha Stewart mixed materials. I love the mixed materials one because it gives you a couple things to work with all in one tube. Okay, we are getting one 12x12 sheet of the adhesive gold. And we're getting one 12x18 sheet of the premium removable vinyl in white. We are also gonna get a 12x18 sheet of the removable vinyl in black. And then to apply the vinyl, you're gonna get one 12x12 sheet of the transfer tape, which you can reuse the transfer tape so you can use it on multiple projects. But wait, there's more. There's like a lot in this box. It keeps going. It's not, it keeps going. And we're getting Cricut infusible ink. So you're gonna get 2 12x12 sheets, and this is the ultraviolet. So a very pretty purple color. The infusible ink, go ahead, throw it on t-shirts, mugs, hats, coasters, pillows, so many things. And you know what else you can put it on? A wine bag blank. I love making wine bags for gifts for people. The holidays, it's great. If somebody gets a new home, it's a great housewarming. That's the word. I'm like, home welcoming is not the right word here. It's a nice housewarming gift and so on, but you can go ahead and put the infusible ink on there. You can also go ahead and put any of the iron-on that's on here also. So there's a lot of stuff in here to make a project. And last but not least, something we can all use. Cricut cardstock! Yes, we are getting a pack of the 12 by 12 black cardstock. And in this, you're gonna get 20 sheets. So 20 sheets of black cardstock, which we can all use more cardstock. And we all know Cricut cardstock's the best. It's got the solid core in the middle, so when you cut through, it's not gonna be white, and it's just so good. So good! So that is everything that is in the Rose Noir mystery box. What did I do with my cutie? I already lost him. Using the sea of materials. But was that not a really cool box? To me, that box is phenomenal because there are so many different colors of things and different sheets of things. And just to try, you have cardstock, you have vinyl you can put on the cardstock. You got iron-on that you can put on the wine bag, and then fusible ink you can put on the wine bag. And so it's just a great box. And we get our Pink Lemonade Cutie. And because we get the cutie, this box is available to Cricut Access members only. But if you're not a member, don't worry because links are below in the video description for you to join. Links are also below to go ahead and purchase this box. And we greatly, greatly appreciate when you use those links. We just get a small permission and we greatly appreciate it. And here comes my puppy. It's my puppy tearing up paper from the box. No, ma'am. But the price of the box is $59.99. But because you have to be an Access member to buy it, it's never $59.99 because you get your access discount. I mean, wouldn't you guys be shocked if I ever made it through one of these without screwing up the word access? I'm just saying. So go ahead and purchase because quantities are limited, and when there's a new cutie, they go fast because people like to collect all the colors, as do I. I want the whole cutie rainbow. So thank you guys for watching. If you could give us the thumbs up, you can go ahead and hit the bell and subscribe to us. That way, whenever we have new videos come out, you will be notified. So whenever these mystery box videos come out, we will release a video right away letting you know of it. That way you don't have to miss out. Because FOMO, the fear of missing out with cuties, is it's a very real thing. So thank you guys so much for joining us. We hope you all have a craftastic rest of your week, and happy Valentine's Day, everybody. It's Valentine's. Yes, so I hope your Valentine's Day is filled with love. Oh, and also in the links below, I will add the links to Dreambox. Dreambox has their Valentine's Day sale going on right now, so you save big on it, and that's a great place to put all of these. You're like, when I get all these supplies, where do I put them? Look, there's so many right now. Look, you're like, just this box. I mean, I can keep going. This is all from this box. And then you're like, where do I put all these? You know where you put them all? In a Dreambox. Dreambox is great because it's a piece that you can like put a craft, I always say you can put a craft store's worth of stuff in the Dreambox. And it keeps it organized and nice, which is great. So links below, that sale's going on until the 20th if you want to purchase that. Is this not a lot of stuff for this mystery box? This is awesome. So many great spring colors too, and spring is on the horizon, everyone. It felt like spring the other day and I loved it. So thank you guys for joining us, and we greatly, greatly appreciate that always. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you to our amazing admin team. Let's send shout outs to them. And thank you, Cricut, for this awesome mystery box. So everybody go out there, have a craftastic Valentine's Day, and we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. And toodles from Alex. Bye.